Y.H.F Floors is a top Chinese flooring exporter providing precision-crafted customizable solutions for diverse industries. Waterproof and durable, its stone polymer core excels in moisture-prone areas like kitchens and bathrooms. A 0.5毫米加 wear-resistant layer and UV cotton denture, 15+ years of durability under heavy foot traffic. Cork XP underlay provides noise reduction, thermal insulation, and underfoot comfort. Effortless click-lock system installation covers 100 平方米 in a day, saving time and labor costs. Eco-friendly and recyclable, it is phthalate-free, LEED certified, and supports sustainability goals. Y.H.F Floors SPC Flooring offers durability, comfort, and eco-consciousness, making it the ideal choice for modern living and commercial spaces.